back to Home's Decor Designs, your go-to channel for creating spaces you absolutely love. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are diving into one of the most impactful areas of your property, the front yard. Many homeowners feel that a stunning entrance requires a massive investment and a team of professionals, but that couldn't be further from the truth. In this video we are going to explore how you can achieve a high-end, welcoming look without breaking the bank, focusing on smart choices and creative DIY solutions that will make your home the envy of the neighborhood. Budget-friendly front yard landscaping refers to the practice of enhancing your home's exterior using affordable materials, native plants, and DIY techniques rather than expensive hardscaping or rare exotic flora. It is about being resourceful, using things like mulch, gravel, and perennial plants that grow back every year to create a sustainable and attractive environment. Choosing this approach is incredibly beneficial because it allows you to increase your home's property value and curb appeal immediately without taking on financial stress. Furthermore, low-cost landscaping often leans toward more natural, low-maintenance designs, meaning you save both money up front and time on upkeep in the long run. Between labor and material costs, a landscaping bill adds up fast. However, there are several changes you can tackle yourself in just a weekend for around $100. If you're up for some slightly more expensive and involved changes, you might even yield a return on your investment due to lower maintenance costs and a property value increase. So take inspiration from these front yard landscapes and then head outside with a shovel in tow. One, use large flower pots as landscaping features. Oversized flower pots placed in areas like your front porch and driveway can make just as much impact as a large flower bed. Container gardening also requires fewer tools and less soil. Go for common landscaping plants like arborvitae, bamboo, feather reed grass, boxwood, and elephant ear since they all thrive in large containers. 2. Plant additional flower beds around existing features. Not every flower bed needs a dedicated retaining wall. If you want to add extra plants to your front yard, you don't need to build additional features. For example, you can simply plant a row of evergreens alongside an already existing walkway to give it a sense of structure and intention. Line the area around your newly added plants with mulch to create a bit of contrast and to keep weeds and grass from growing around them. 3. Opt for pea gravel and stepping stones over concrete. Pea gravel is cheaper and a more stylish alternative to concrete. A pea gravel patio or walkway is also a fairly easy DIY, so it'll save you on any labor costs. If you still want a smooth surface to walk on leading up to your house, just add stepping stones to the mix. 4. Just stick with pavers. If your yard already has lush grass on it, there's no sense in covering it with gravel or concrete to make a walkway. A few affordable pavers will make a perfect spot for your feet to land. 5. Edge your driveway with pavers or reclaimed bricks. It's often the small details that make a front yard picture perfect. We love the simple addition of the stone pavers along the driveway in this design by Kate Marker Interiors. If you have a long driveway, you can always check for free or affordable reclaimed brick on Facebook Marketplace to keep the cost down. You might have to source your brick from multiple sellers, but sticking with the same color will keep the design cohesive. 6. Keep your plant choices simple. Sticking with just 1 to 2 types of plants in your flower beds can help keep things affordable. Plus, you may qualify for a bulk discount if you purchase several of the same plants. Choosing one evergreen and one blooming bush creates a sense of texture and variety. Options like hydrangeas and boxwood grow large and fill more space as they mature. 7. Go with an xeriscape if your region is drought-prone. Xeriscape landscaping involves choosing plants that thrive in desert-like conditions. This landscaping method is ideal for regions that experience little rainfall and lots of sunlight. Drought-tolerant and desert plants are less likely to die in regions like this. which means you are less likely to have to rebuy them mid-season. Additionally, choosing plants that require less water can save you a lot of money in the case of a water surcharge during a drought. 8. Start native plants from seed. Even if you don't live in a drought-prone region, it's still important to think about what type of plants will do best in your front yard. Otherwise, you might be wasting your money on a plant that won't make it to late summer. Choosing native plants is a great way to do this. Blooming native plants are great for your local ecosystem since they provide nectar for pollinators and attract bugs for birds to eat. 1. Certain natives are very easy to grow from seed, which is a cheaper alternative to purchasing starter plants. 9. Stick with perennials. Perennials are plants that are cold-hardy and will return in the spring year after year. With proper care, they are pretty much just a one-time investment. 10. Fill in gaps with landscaping rocks. If you already have some large landscaping rocks on hand, moving them into a flower bed in the place of a missing plant is a quick and easy fix. A few medium landscaping rocks run similar in cost to a large landscaping plant. 11. Mulch your large garden beds. While gravel is a chic, long-lasting option for covering your garden beds, mulch requires less upfront investment. Its lower cost also makes it an especially great option if you have extra large garden beds that you need to cover. Just keep in mind that you may need to replace the mulch within 1 year to keep it looking its best. 12. Spruce up your landscaping beds with multicolored gravel. If your garden beds contain mulch and you're ready for an upgrade, topping it off with a layer of multicolored gravel can elevate the overall look. Plus, gravel lasts longer than mulch, so you'll get more use out of your purchase. You can also add a new color to your already existing gravel to add some intrigue. Just use a rake to mix the two colors together. 13. Guide your eyes to the door with plants. If you have a front door that you love, you can draw even more attention to it by lining either side of your walkway with small shrubs. This will direct your gaze straight to the door and immediately make guests feel like they're already welcomed inside. You can still do this even if you have a walkway that curves or angles before reaching the door. 14. Select plants that look good year-round. Certain landscaping plants look amazing in every season. Evergreens are a no-brainer if you want greenery in your yard even in the dead of winter. Additionally, hydrangeas have a long blooming season, and their dried clusters look beautiful on the bushes throughout the winter. 15. Up your curb appeal by planting at the curb. When landscaping your front yard, you don't have to limit yourself to garden beds only along the edge of your house. Adding plants by your sidewalk will make it a pleasant path for all your neighbors to stroll. Improving your front yard doesn't have to happen all at once. By taking it one project at a time, whether it's defining your garden edges, adding a fresh layer of mulch, or planting a few eye-catching shrubs, you will start to see a massive difference in how your home feels. The goal is to create a space that reflects your personal style while staying within a realistic budget. Remember, the most beautiful yards aren't always the most expensive ones. They are the ones that are well-tended and thoughtfully designed. If you found these tips helpful and are ready to start your own front yard transformation, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Decor Designs for more weekly inspiration. We'd love to hear from you. Which of these budget-friendly ideas are you planning to try first? Drop a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update on our latest home and garden design guides.